Interested in improving your company's profitability and success? Nilfisk has the solution for you. TrackClean is an intelligent fleet management system which helps you optimize your resources and productivity. TrackClean provides transparency and profitability at your fingertips. The TrackClean system monitors fleet operations and transmits the equipment operation data to a secure web portal. The data includes the machine working time, the machine downtime, time of day that each activity occurred, the geographic location of the machine, service history, and as an option, can include information about the operator. You can review your fleet operations by accessing the intuitive web portal via your PC or tablet device. Hereby, you get a detailed overview of machine activity, which allows you to initiate proactive improvements in your cleaning operation. You can also schedule reports to be sent directly to your email. TrackClean notifies you of any issues that need immediate attention and can help reduce your repair costs and downtime. Thanks to TrackClean's GPS feature, you can also avoid loss and theft as you monitor the movement of your machines and can get an email alert if your machines leave the designated areas. A simple click on the TrackClean site will show you the location of your machine. TrackClean gives you remote access to every connected cleaning machine 24/7. This means you know exactly what is happening, when and where it is happening, and who is doing it. With every connected machine, you can monitor, verify, and improve your operational effectiveness. Greater visibility and control over your cleaning assets help you reduce operating costs and improve productivity. This results in more cleaning time, more facilities cleaned, and more satisfied customers. TrackClean does not just track your equipment, it tracks your success. The TrackClean Fleet Management System is available on a variety of the most popular Nilfisk cleaning machines. For more information, please contact your local sales partner